I am in a really cool hybrid role here. I do other things than clean teeth. The procedures are lip lays, smooth lays, and an erbium YAG peel. So we do all of those with our Fotona laser. They're great because there's no toxins. So there's nothing that's being injected into your body. It uses all of your body's own cells and healing response to get the results that you want. And there's just amazing benefits to all three. If you are doing all three treatments, the smooth lays, lip lays, and the peel, which you can get all of those done at the same time, it takes about an hour and a half. Smoothing of fine lines and wrinkles, improved tissue tone, elasticity, improved moisture. You get fuller, smoother lips, improved hydration in the lips, smoothing of the fine lines and wrinkles, reduction of under eye bags. But what's also great about it is that it's for people of all ages. Like anybody can do it, whether you're 20 or 80.